This is the ABX 64 SYY. This is the big, strong power horse of the fixed head range. SYY, S meaning sub-spindle, YY meaning double Y-axis. Each turret has a Y-axis. What I should mention is a THY version is available. THY meaning triple head, and 3 turrets, all with Y-axis, also available. So with a big, solid machine like this, you'd expect to have some power. So we have got 15 kilowatts at the spindle, 40 Newton meters in the turret rotary tools. That means the machine's built to accept heavy cutting. Yeah, a little bit more about the construction of the machine. It's a box slideway machine. That means more surface contact in the sliding area. And as we know, vibration is the enemy to a cutting tool. If we can suppress the vibration, get longer tool life, heavier cutting. In respect to the turrets, I have 12 stations on each turret. Each station can be driven, so that means on this machine, the SYY with 2 turrets, up to 24 driven tools. The stations can also be doubled up, tripled up with the right holders. Another feature of this machine is the Miyano spindle design, which incorporates a combination bearing, both angular contact and also a tapered roller bearing. The angular contact gives the real high accuracy, and the taper roller bearing puts the rigidity in there for heavy turning, heavy cutting. Miyano really think about the operator. We've got a full length door, a big viewing window. The full length door really helps so the engineer can get in there for those tool changes, collet changes, ease of access. This is a demonstration part I've got here. This is made from 80mm bar, a typical short component, long running job that somebody might make out in industry. But this machine is not only capable of short parts, it's also well suited to long shaft work. For example, we could put a tailstock on the lower turret, machine with a top turret. We could also support the bar with the sub spindle for much longer shafts. It's a 64mm machine. I mentioned a moment ago 80mm part as a sample here. Recently we developed 80mm option for the main spindle. So it increases flexibility and capability for parts customers can produce. We have the latest FANUC 31i Model B control on this machine. Also some other added options such as a tool presetter, tool life monitoring, tool load monitoring included also. Real powerhouse of a machine, complex parts, heavy turning, heavy milling. As I mentioned earlier, we've now expanded the range up to 80mm, giving even more capability.